Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore old image photo in just a few moments using Nano Banana in Google Gemini. Like if you have faded family photos or maybe torn prints or low quality images that you want to bring back to life, this tutorial will help you do it instantly using AI. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it through the browser or to the app like this. And then inside the app, just log in using your Google account. And then after that, just tap on create image to activate the Nano Banana. Or you can also activate it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. And then after that, let's upload or let's upload and choose a image photo that you want to restore. It can be any type of photo, like maybe an old portrait of your grandparents, or a black and white photo, or even just a picture of a locations or object that worn out or have a low resolutions. Just everything that have a old look or low quality look like this, like that. And then to upload it, just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your old photo or image photo, for example like this. And then after that, all you need to do is just type a short prompt, like for example like this, like just restore this old photo as if it was taken today with a high resolution digital camera. For example, maybe like this, but feel free if you want to make your own prompt to match your styles or just things that you want. And then after typing the prompt and type generate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, Gemini will process the photo, like it clean up the details, sharpen the image, fix wrinkles, remove cracks on the photo, and sometimes even even colorize the picture automatically like this. You don't have to adjust anything manually, just Banana that does all the heavy lifting for you. And okay, here it is, the restored photo. Just take a look at the difference. The original might be faded, full of scratches, or extremely or or maybe extremely low quality like this. But the restored one look fresh and clear, almost like it was captured today with a modern camera. And okay, that's how you can restore any old photo using Gemini Nano Banana. And it's completely for free. It's super easy, really fast, and the result will look amazing, perfect for archiving family memories or maybe reviving old personal photos. Okay, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to make sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.